Well, good morning guys. Today it's Saturday and we're back in the garage. As you saw in the last clip, we received our Mitsubishi electric heater pump for the garage, and today we're meeting up a guy called Dennis who's going to help us to mount it. So that's a big thank you to Otco Drift Technique for setting me up with Dennis, who will help me out with this. So let's get to work and hopefully get it done. Safety first. Well, that's been a long day, but finally it's up. And it's coming some hot air, so that's going to be really good. Emil and I are going to get some food and then get back to work. So yeah, good times. Well, that wraps up day number whatever, I don't know. Today ultimate goal was to get the heater pump up, and that was achieved. And then me and Emil behind the camera managed to get a lot of the, I don't know what gyps is called in English, do you know? Oh, okay, so we put this on the wall. This is for fire safety and also make it look nicer. And this is to isolate the outer wall from the outside to get a little bit better heat efficiency in the garage. So really satisfied about today. So huge shout out to you, Emil, to Victor Kartinen, and also Dennis who helped us set up the heater pump. So, and also ATK for making that happen. So yeah, that wraps up today. I'm pretty tired. I have a headache, and also Emil, I think. So let's go home, and thank you for today. What's up, guys? I'm back. It was a long day yesterday. I got the heater installed as I told you. Now it's been running for a night, and you can see here it's about 16. Okay, now we're in the in the heat soak from the pump. Let's go to a more. Yeah, there you see. We managed to get the temperature up to about 15 degrees Celsius, so that's pretty good for one night. The only reason I'm here today, because I have a lot of other stuff to do as well, is I'm gonna try to fix this wall. This is kind of the only place that isn't isolated right now, so gonna be putting some isolation here and put some OSB, I don't know what it's called, like the wooden panels first, and then put on some Swedish gyps. I don't know the English word for that either, so I have to look it up. Sorry. So yeah, we're gonna try to get this covered up. Then we're gonna try to get a Christmas tree, me and Linda, and have a slow evening and check out some Formula 1. Also, we received the care package from the guys over at the Palma Workwear. They hooked up us with some new workwear for Linda, Sebastian, and I also ordered this shirt, Omaha work jacket, and some other stuff. So really thankful for being a partner to them. If you want some awesome workwear with good quality, I'd suggest you check out thepalmaworkwear.com. Right now they have a sale, and you won't be disappointed, I assure you of that. So check them out, and let's get to work. Welcome back, guys. I'm back in the shop. I was actually here yesterday as well, but I didn't manage to film anything. So yesterday I covered this up with plasterboard. I actually googled that because I couldn't know the name of it. So this wall is almost completed. We only have up here this water tube needs to be changed because it looks like hell, and therefore I need to turn the water off and do it before I can cover that up. So we're going to try to do that later this week. This wall is actually done. I managed to get those two in, so that feels really good. The next step for us is to get the concrete done. and it looks like it's going to be on Thursday. Today it's Tuesday, I think. Yeah, Tuesday. So 2 days from now we will have this part filled with concrete and hopefully have a new floor. So that's going to be really good. I'm stoked about getting that step done, because now we have the heater pump installed. We're going to have this concreted and done, and we also have removed all the sheet metal. We had the walls almost done. So now the only thing that's kind of left is to fix up the walls, wash all of the walls, and then paint everything white, and then also paint the floor or the shop floor. So that's going to be such a huge improvement, and we're taking small steps every day, and our goal is to have this done before New Year's Eve, but we'll see what happens. Also, we're going to pick up 2 parts of a glass. Oh, I don't know how to explain it, but this wall will be made out of glass, so you can see out into the shop, and that will open up the space so much more. It will feel a lot more roomy and spacious, and that's what we want. So enough talking for today. I'm going to try to explain more later. I'm going to try to get this sorted. We're going to start off by vacuum clean everything here, because we want to get rid of all the dust, because if I understand that correctly, it will help us to get a better foundation. So yeah, let's get to work and see what happens. Well, that was quite a lot of work, but now it's done. So all of the I don't know, concrete iron is in, and I wired all of them together to make sure everything sits connected to each other, and I also cut it to make sure that we have a good fitment to the entire space. So yeah, that's it for today. Hopefully everything is the way it should be, and hopefully they can go ahead and pour in the concrete on Thursday. So hopefully I get approval of them when they come here, but we'll see. Yeah, one less task to think about. So now I'm gonna get home and take a shower because I'm sweaty as hell. Hallå! Lugn!
Är det bra fart?
Ja, fart. Här kan vi ställa den här släng.
Där.
Svar! Nej!
Passar det inte?
Nej. Det hände igen.
Box.
Är det? Out of the box.
Ja. Jag bara skakar på huvudet på alla.
Blir det bra då?
Det blir skitbra.